Let's learn how to use the My AI Experts Help Me Reply. So we're going to head on over here and you will see there's many different objectives. If you drop down this menu, you can see all the different objectives that you can use based on a conversation that you're having to help you get a better response. So here you can select your different objective. So let's do overcoming an objection. So what it's going to do is it's going to say overcome an objection, and then we're going to go and select our business. For here, I'm going to select Lev AI. Now, over here is where our chat happens. Now, and it's telling you exactly what to do. We're going to screenshot our conversation that we're having with our prospect. We're going to upload that conversation here, and then this will generate the reply for us. Here's the conversation where I was starting to tell someone about Lev AI, and they've already gone back and said, you know what, I think that it's a little bit too expensive. So I'm going to upload this here. I don't even need to type anything. I can just hit send. And here's our response that helps us reply right back to that person. So all we have to do is hit copy, and then we can go and paste that into our conversation. Let's do this shift to business. So what this allows us to do is take a conversation that's casual. Here's an example of a screenshot I took from an Instagram conversation in the direct messages. And so what we're doing is talking about something not relevant to business. Now I want to take this and turn it into a business conversation. So I'm going to start a new chat by hitting new chat. I've uploaded my screenshot, and then I just have to hit send. So here it's taken what I was talking about with my prospect on Instagram, and it's been able to shift that conversation into how I can talk about my Lev AI business. This sounds great. I'm just going to hit copy, and then I'm going to go back to my Instagram conversation and paste this response. If they say something else that I'm not sure about how to respond, I can always come right back here to help me reply. You can also always type what the person said. So here I've just typed something and I've hit send. And here it's given me another great response. So then I can just hit copy and then go back over and talk to my prospect.